Hi everyone, a very good evening to you all. Now I am going to talk something about environmental pollution. We all know that pollution, which is how badly it's affecting the world, and which is the introduction of contaminants into the natural environment that cause adverse change. So nowadays it is getting more and more, and people are facing so many risks because of pollution, and it can take the form of chemical substance or energy such as noise, heat, or light. So, the pollutants, the components of pollution can be either foreign substance, the energies, or naturally occurring contaminants. So, we can't believe in 2015 the pollution killed 9 million people in the world. So, air pollution has always accompanied civilizations. Pollution started from prehistoric times itself, when man created the first fires. So, according to a 1983 article in the journal Science, soot found on ceilings of prehistoric caves provides ample evidence of the high levels of pollution that was associated with inadequate ventilation of open fires. So, core samples of glaciers in Greenland indicate increase in pollution. So, there are so many types of pollutions are there. The Industrial Revolution brought an infusion of untreated chemicals and waste into local streams that served as the water supply. So, King Edward of England banned the burning of sea coal by proclamation in London 1272 after its smoke became a problem. So it was an industrial revolution that gave birth to environmental pollution as we know it today. So London also recorded one of the earlier extreme cases of water quality problems with the Great Stink on the Thames of 1858. So which led to the construction of London's sewerage system soon afterward. So pollution issues escalated as population growth for exceeded viability of neighborhoods to handle their waste problem. So reformers began to demand sewer system and a clean water. So the wastewater from the houses collected in the gutters running alongside the curbs and emitted truly a fearsome smell. So there were no public toilets in the streets or squares. Visitors, especially women, become desperate when nature called. So in the public buildings, the sanitary facilities are unbelievably primitive. So the primitive conditions were intolerable for a world national capital, and the Imperial German government brought in its scientists engineers, the urban planners to not only solve the deficiencies but to form Berlin as the world's model city. Um, so, uh, Air pollution would continue to be a problem in England, not only England, in all other world areas, especially later during the Industrial Revolution and extending into the recent past. So, awareness of atmospheric pollution spread widely after the World War II, with fears triggered by reports of radioactive fallout from atomic warfare and testing. So, pollution began to draw major public attention in the United States between the mid of 1950s and early 1970s. So, when Congress passed the Noise Control Act, severe incidents of pollution helped increase consciousness among the people because it is a very risky one, and it kills so many people. Not only people, it cannot save our environment. We cannot be eco-friendly due to this all types of pollution. So we have to be very careful about this pollution, and how we can uh, regulate and monitor this kinds of pollution means to protect the environment from the adverse effect of pollution. Many nations worldwide have enacted legislation to regulate various type of pollution as well as to mitigate the adverse effect of pollution. So uh, greenhouse gases, global warming, and they also play an important role, mainly carbon dioxide, while vital for photosynthesis is sometimes referred to as a pollution because rise levels of the gas in the atmosphere are affecting the Earth's climate. So, disruption of the environment can also highlight the connection between areas of pollution that would normally be classified separately, such as those of water and air. So the recent studies have investigated the potential for long-term rising levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide to cause slight but critical increase in the acidity of ocean waters and the possible effect of its marine ecosystem. So when we see Pure Earth issues an annual list of some of the world's worst populated places. There are so many places are there, but mainly Niger River Delta, Nigeria, Norilsk, Russia, and Kalimantan, Indonesia. So like that, Chernobyl, Ukraine. So we have to be very careful when handling this pollution problems, and we can control very easily, but we have to take more steps for that. It means the control of emissions and effluents into the air, water, or soil. Without pollution control, the waste products from overconsumption, heating, agriculture, mining, manufacturing, transportation, and other human activities, whether they accumulate or disperse, will degrade the environment. In the hierarchy of controls, pollution prevention and waste minimization are more desirable than pollution control. And in the field of land development, low impact development is a similar technique for the prevention of runoff. So please make an aware of this pollution and try to save the world, because it is not only for us, we have to make a sustainable development, it is also for our future generations too.